Okay, today we will be replacing a fill valve on a Kohler toilet. First thing you want to do is shut the water off to the toilet. Then flush the toilet until you get as much of the water out of the tank as you can. Next, we're going to remove the supply hose. Have a bucket to catch any water that might drip out. Then unscrew this plastic nut and simply pull straight out the old valve. Here's the new Kohler fill valve. Let's see what's inside the box. You can buy these at your local big box store or online. That's the new tube. Don't lose that. Make sure that rubber grommet is in place. Then place the new fill valve in the toilet tank. Like so, and angle it like this. Tighten that plastic nut to secure it to the tank. Reattach your water supply line. Then connect the black rubber tube from the fill valve to the flush valve. See right here, like so. Then slowly turn the water back on and check for leaks. And there's directions in the box if you need to adjust the height. I'm going to screw this to the left, and that's going to stop that float from filling up the water level too high. It's going to stop right about there. And then test flush the toilet to make sure it works. Back in business. I hope this video helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.